मम्मी दो दो आओ आओ मेरा बेटा you know hoga oh ya sudah lo tekan katanya anjing pasti kenapa bajunya lala
he's like he lays on her lap and curls up and sticks his toe in his mouth. Yeah. You will totally die. You bite me. You look like you bite me.
Dai Vashti. That's his sister. Tell her sit around. Tell her sit around, beta.
Sit around.
You tell me just now.
How are you? How you doing?
Curious, huh?
I am. Hi. You're so pretty.
Oh, he loved that.
Hello. You're so pretty.
She said, you're pretty, baby.
You're handsome.
Nice.
Look how cute you are. Hi. Hello.
Plane trying to go up there and think and fly and think. I tell him that. He tell me, sit around, mama.
Are you going to say something?
Tell she sit around. Say
Say
sit
hello.
around, Vash. Say sit around, Vash.
Sit around.
Bola. Bola. Sit around.
Totally intimidated. Yeah, curious.
When he asks him a question, he does say bola. Bola. That makes it ow, ow. That's we all.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Tell Vashi sit around, beta.
Are you going to talk to me?
Tell her sit around now.
Sis.
That's all. Then you'll talk to son of you can't have Vashi sit around. Tell her sit around, beta. On his own time.
Like how a kid would assess you?
Yes, that's what he is.
Assess me. Stand there. He's trying to determine whether I'm a threat.
Exactly.
Because I just showed up. He's not afraid by no means. But no.
Vash. Sit around, Vash. Tell her. Bola. Bola sit around.
Nah, listen. Has no problem about a challenge, you know. Hello.
Say hi, now, baby.
Are you going to say hi?
Say hi now. Say hello. How you doing? Ask the man. Ask her. Say, Vash, how you doing? Ask her. On the put it. There. One to you. Talk now. Bola. She's my daughter. And you're my son. You're my loving son. You know me?
You want to meet your next sister? Hold on a second. How you do this? Put this on speaker for me. Say hello to your other sister, Kay. Hi, Sachin.
Answer. Say hi. Say sit around here.
Oh! Kay, wait until you see that.
Say sit around, okay?
Ma, he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to. It's okay. It's alright.
Call him, call him.
Ma, he's intimidated. Sachin just big old pick at the phone, kid. No, he went to pick at the phone. I was like, oh my gosh. He's determined he's coming out now.
No. He coming on is to go on top that thing there. He had too much a trick for it at last. Such a behave, eh? behave. If I had to run you down, I'll beat your ass, eh?
Ma, come near your bird before you pick me.
He wouldn't pick you. He's curious now.
He's coming.
He's curious. He ain't picking you. Apparently, he like you.
Uh-huh. You're so pretty. Who's so pretty?
She's snapping you, baby. That's a camera.
I take the food and knock him out of the way, man.
She's afraid you.
You alright?
Do you think that's
It's deciding whether you want to come or not. Are you going to come here?
you hear talking to the sofa?
You
No, but
where
you
you
is my
going?
guy and he hold you back and back.
You
You little
just,
map,
you
man.
just do like
Talk to her.
discreetly come over and stuff so he can come down and head straight for the iron. Yeah. He is like a quiet, seriously quiet.